2015 Chevrolet Impala rear wheel hub. So I was going to record how to take it off, and I totally forgot once I got started, so I'll start here. One of the things you have to take off is this upper control arm, just the bolt. Just take the bolt off. It's 21 millimeter. Goes through there like that. There's a nut on the other end. Just take it off with a just take it off with a 21 millimeter. I think I used the impact, but it just comes right out. It's a nut and bolt assembly. Nothing special about it. I took off the caliper and the caliper bracket. The bracket bolts are 18 millimeters right here. Typical, same thing, but I found it easier once you take this off, that upper control arm, you can get to these nuts really easy. See, the other bolts to hold this on, the 3 bolts to hold the rear hub on, are 18 millimeters too. They look like this. They're 18s. The one thing I did notice that's different from most ones I do is this has a little dust cover back here, just a little plate. Once you take it off, it'll fall down. You just do like you do everything else, put it back in place. I shove a screw in there to hold it in place. And so you can see it right here. This little dust cover. It screws down with the 3 nuts that holds the hub assembly. Once you put those in place, then you put the backing plate back on. Let me find the backing plate. Backing plate goes back on, just like that, and then just like that. Backing plate goes back on, and then you put the hub assembly back together and screw it back down. Be sure to take out the ABS sensor first, right here, a wheel speed sensor, whatever you want to call it. Take this out first. It's 10 millimeter. Now let me see what else. Yeah, for the caliper, I just took off the entire caliper assembly. I didn't even take the brake pads out or nothing. I just took it off at the 2 bolts holding the caliper bracket on. So, sorry I didn't get this from the beginning, but figure now it's better than nothing. So the bolt sizes are 18, 21, 10, and if you're doing the brakes, I believe these were 13 or 14. I can't remember for the caliper brackets. It's fairly simple. Just take it out, clean it up, put it back together the same way you took it apart. If you've ever done one of these before, you find it's nothing special. It's typical. Go in just the right way the rest of them go in. So, like I said, it's a 2015 Impala. I couldn't find pretty much anything online about how to do the rear hubs on a 2015 Impala. I found Malibus and up to 13 and everything else, but not 15. So it looks to me like everything's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in reassembly. And if I think of any other points I need to mention, I will. This was the only thing that kind of had me baffled for a second, was the upper control arm, if I should take it out or not. And yep, take the bolt out, and everything else is easy to get to. All right, bye.